Hello, today, we'll be talking about something that most of us have experienced at some point in our lives. The common cold. The common cold is a viral infection that affects the upper respiratory tract. It's highly contagious and can cause symptoms such as a runny or stuffy nose, cough, sore throat, and headache. While there's no cure for the cold, there are some home remedies that may help alleviate its symptoms and make us feel better. So, without further ado, let's dive into some of the best home remedies for the common cold. First, let's talk about hydration. It's important to drink plenty of fluids, especially water and warm liquids like tea, to help soothe a sore throat and loosen congestion. Herbal teas like ginger, chamomile, and peppermint can also provide relief. You can also try adding a spoonful of honey to your tea to soothe your throat. Next up, we have steam. Steam is a great way to relieve nasal congestion and soothe a sore throat. You can inhale steam by taking a hot shower, using a humidifier, or simply holding your head over a bowl of hot water with a towel draped over your head. Adding a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint to the hot water can also help clear your sinuses. Third, try using saline nasal drops or sprays. These can help relieve nasal congestion and clear out mucus. You can either buy these over the counter or make your own saline solution by mixing salt and warm water. Fourth, eat foods that are high in vitamin C, such as oranges, kiwi, and bell peppers. Vitamin C can help boost your immune system and reduce the severity of cold symptoms. You can also try taking a vitamin C supplement to help prevent the onset of a cold. Fifth, try eating raw garlic. Garlic has antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help fight off colds. You can add garlic to your meals, or take garlic supplements to help fight off a cold. Sixth, use a warm compress on your forehead and nose to relieve headache and sinus pressure. You can use a warm towel or a heated rice bag for this purpose. Seventh, get plenty of rest and sleep to help your body recover from a cold. It's also important to avoid smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke, as this can further irritate your throat and lungs. Lastly, try taking zinc supplements. Zinc can help reduce the severity and duration of cold symptoms. You can either take a zinc supplement or eat foods that are high in zinc, such as oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds. Remember, these home remedies can help alleviate your cold symptoms, but they're not a substitute for medical treatment. If your symptoms persist or worsen, make sure to see a healthcare professional. We hope you found these home remedies helpful. As bonus, please check my favorite #1 vegan cookbook, which includes over 100 new delicious vegan recipes, in the description below.